So today's an exciting day. I just got a package I've been waiting for a while. It's from a company called G Racing. This guy named Keith owns it. He's been working on a shifter, on a short shifter for the FD for a while. So I've been talking to him about getting this shifter since last year, and he just started shipping them out. So I just got mine in right now. Here's the package. Let's unbox this and check it out. Alright, so that's it right there. Check that out. This thing is so clean. So this is actually a super short shifter. Like, you know when you hear people talk about short shifters? Well, this is still shorter than that. So I'm super curious to see how this is actually gonna work. I hope it's still gonna make my car somewhat streetable, but I guess we're just gonna have to find out. So like, you know, from the previous video that I had a bad transmission, so I had to get that thing replaced. So let's go get that done and install this shifter. Alright guys, so we're back at the shop today. We're gonna get the transmission installed. So Louis sent out a transmission to get rebuilt for me, which I think it was only, what was the transmission that we got?
We only had to do a couple bearings and like 2 synchros.
2 synchros?
Yeah, but all the bearings got replaced, just 2 brand new synchros. The other ones are not available anymore, so we did the best that we could with what we had.
So there you go guys, these are old transmissions. It's hard to get parts for these things, so luckily we were able to piece one together. So let's get it installed. Alright, so here it goes guys, the new rebuilt transmission, and there's an old one. So like you see, I'm gonna go automatic. What? I'm done with shifting gears. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, so it's time to install this shifter. And that's it, that's how easy it goes in. Tighten these up and we should be good to go. This. Ready for the test? Bro, this is crazy. That's reverse. You can feel it. This is crazy. Alright, so Pancho and Louis kind of jumped in front of me, so they already got the alternator in. I wanted to film this part, but it's in.
It's in.
Alright guys, so the alternator's all installed. And check this out guys. My voltage stays at 14.2, 14.3. I've never seen it be that high before. And check out my window. Everybody that knows my car, that passenger window goes really slow. Now check it. It actually goes up normal speed now. And it goes down normal speed now. So the car is all done. All there is left to do is take it for a spin. So I'm gonna start heading home now, and can't wait to see how this thing feels.